The quality of your service or product deliverable will determine the quantum of success in your business. Doesn't matter what kind of business you have. Doesn't matter what size of business you have, whether it is large, mid, or small. For each of the business, you as an entrepreneur or as a business owner must have a commitment then how you are going to create the tremendous opportunity in terms of service excellency, how you are going to create the tremendous opportunity in terms of product deliverables, and that is going to create more values in your business. For excellency in the service or product deliverable, you must have a right and balanced team. When you have a right and balanced team, that teams on behalf of you are going to create the opportunity and going to create the service deliverable with the customer. When you have the right and committed team on behalf of you are going to serve the customer the way you have expected for. Your teams are everything for you. If you really wanted to create more values in your business, if you really wanted to create exponentially growth in your business, you must have a right and dedicated team. On how you are going to create the right and dedicated team. As an entrepreneur, as a business owner, you must know about this. Like I'm explaining the 6R that is going to help you to create the right balance and committed team who on behalf of you are going to generate more revenue, are going to serve the customer the way you have expected for excellency. Recruit the right persons for the right job. There must be a role clarities. Review their work consistently. Remunerate them well. Respect them and rewards and recognitions. If you have these 6R, if you're working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, you are going to create more tremendous opportunity in your business value. Let I am explaining you. This is very important. When you have a right team, when you are recruiting the right person for the right job, when there is a role clarity within the team, when you are reviewing their work consistently, when you are remunerating them well so that they will not leave you, when you are respecting to the team, your teams are freely to express their problems or their strength within you. And when you are giving the rewards or recognitions so that they can be able to push more their productivity and bringing their productivity into the next level. So this 6R is going to create more opportunity in your business. And for that, what you have to do, that you have to just take care to your team. Your customer base is going to increase, my dear friend, when you have a right and balanced team. Your customer base is going to create more trust when you are in the customer meeting. Your customer is going to say something to you and about your product, about your service, that yes, you are providing a right services. Your teams have a very good approach. Your teams are dedicatedly working hard. Look at what happened in that case. Imagine what happened in that case. You'll feel so proud that you are providing such kind of services and you are working truly as a business partner with your customer. Your customer would be happy, my dear friend, when you are providing the right opportunities, right services. If you are signing the contract with your customer and you are just believing that because we have signed a contract for a 5 year, 6 year, might be 10 year, the signing contract is not going to solve. Doesn't matter how many pages of contract you have signed with your customer. Doesn't matter what kind of clause you have just mentions in the contract. If you are not providing the right deliverable, right services that your team can do on behalf of you, you are going to be out from the market. You are going to be out from the business. And similarly, your all customer will leave you. So what is important for you here is then how you are going to dedicatedly managing to your team, how you are giving the due care to your team, how you are looking up to the team that is on behalf of you are going to serve the customer in a right manner. That is going to create more values of your business. That is going to create more scalable business. That is going to create more productivity in your business. So when you have the teams, when you have the teams and the customer, these Both are very important as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, you have to think. But when it comes to know about who are the first, then I believe that your teams are first. If you have a right, committed, and balanced team, your list of the customer is going to increase. But if you do not have the right, balanced, or committed team, your existing customer is going to leave you. Because when you are not providing the excellence in the services, when you are not providing the excellence in your deliverables, your customer might be wait for 1 month, 2 months, probably within a 6 month, your basket is going to be completely blank. So what is important for you here is then how you are going to manage to your team. In this, that I'm giving you the two scenario that is going to create some differentiation between the teams and the customer. That how you are going to manage your team. That I'm giving you a two scenario only. The number one scenario, where you have a team meeting and the next day morning around 11 a.m. You have informed to your team that we have an urgent meeting, please be available, please attend the meeting. Suddenly in the next morning you receive a call from your customer and ask for the appointment at the same time. What happened in that case? You just leave to your team's meeting, extend your team meetings, and running behind the customer, running behind that what the customer expectations, and you're just reaching to the customer place. Very good. Your customer is everything. You have to do that because once you have the customer, your revenue is going to increase. Your profitability is going to increase. Now, in the second scenario, you have the meeting with the customer and the next morning around 11 a.m. You have confirmed to your customer that yes, we are available for the same. And the next day morning, you receive a call from the second customer. At the same time, around 11 a.m., you have a meeting. What you do in that case? Whether you are going to confirm to the second customer that yes, we are available in the meeting and going to reschedule to your first customer, or you are going to reschedule to the second customer. Of course, you are going to reschedule to your second customer that you have already a pre-planned meetings, so we can be available for that next time as per your availabilities. Now, please understand that differentiation. And the first scenario, you have leave the team meetings because you have a customer preference. You are running behind the customer. You are fulfilling the expectations of the customer. In the second scenario, you have a two customer meeting. You have rescheduled the second customer meeting for the next time. The same you can also do in the first case, my dear friend. If you are working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, please understand. You have to understand the right situations and the requirement, whether it is a required that what kind of customer have asked for the meeting and you have just went through. You have just ignored the teams, what the value you have created within the team, what the value additions you wanted to create within the team. This is a question. If you are working as an entrepreneur or a business owner, and if you really have a set amount of visions that you are going to create more, you have to give the preference to your team. So most of the entrepreneurs are not giving the team's value, and because of that, their value of the business is not going to increase. They might be running their business for a 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, but after that, their business is going to be completely shut down. If you really have a visionary mind and you are going to create the more values, irrespective of whether your turnover is 10 lakh, 20 lakh, 50 lakh. But if you have a right vision that yes, you are going to create more value, respect the team and follow the 6R. That is going to create more values within the team. And when you have the team values, your team on behalf of you are going to fight with the customer. When I say about fighting, means they are going to serve the customer. They are dedicatedly work on behalf of you to run your business smoothly because they know that this is our business. If you are going to create more value in the business, our value of the business is going to increase, our business is going to increase, our productivity is going to increase. In that case, our remunerations or other ways is also going to increase. So if you have the solid team, your chances or probability to increase the customer base is more. If you do not have the solid, right, or committed team, your probabilities of existing customer is moving from your basket is more. It's your choice what you want it to be. Whether you have a customer balance You wanted to create more customer balance, or you wanted to lose your customer. But at the end of the day, your team decide then how much productivity or the value in the business is going to increase. Your customer not decide, because when your customer decide the value, it means you have to provide the excellence in the service, you have to provide the excellence in the deliverable of the product. But if you do not have the right committed and balanced team, you are not going to serve your customer. Keep remember, your customer is your brother, your relative, your family's member. Your customer need the productive result. And who are providing the productive result? Your teams. You as an owner or the entrepreneurs are busy in creating more customer base, is creating more investor base, is creating more business base. Your team on behalf of you are the pillar who are providing you the support in order to increase more business value, more productivity in your business, and then you are going to increase the value of the business. Your business value is going to increase more. You might be a phenomenal growth, and you would be able to create more tremendous opportunity for your business. Let you decide to whom you are preferring more, the team first or the customer first. You decide and implement accordingly. This is Sanjay signing out. Until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.